Hi guys, can you look this? Okay guys, very well, nice. Come, continue, very well. I'm going to give you a very good sight in front of you. So guys, have a nice day today. So, hi guys, actually good morning to everybody. Good morning my all your friends and all my students, dear students. Today actually I'm going to give you your diary. Last time in our last class I have provided you some kinds of diary that was very fantastic for you, and right now I'm also give you the same thing, but it will be very enjoyable for you because today I'm going to make my video, and I'm going to give you the diary very well, by which you can speak very well. So actually we know that diary is the one of the great part of our English speaking. So I'm going to give you the diary. So I think you will mention this in your speaking, and while speaking you will enjoy this diary. So guys, I'm going to recite this diary. So actually today I got up early in the morning at 5 o'clock. After that, I thought, oh God, what to do, whom to call, where to go. And suddenly I got an idea. And I thought, now I should expose my bed. And I exposed my bed. But when I exposed my bed, my mom came in front of me and she told me, would you like to take bath? Then I answered, why not, mama? Of course, I will take bath. And I began to take bath. But when I was taking bath, my friend called me and they told me that now you should go to the school very fast. And I thought, I'm taking bath, so I will go to the school late. And after taking bath I came out from my bathroom, and suddenly I was thinking that now I should go back to my kitchen room. And when I went to my kitchen room, my mom told me that before eating anything you should pray to God. And then I remembered, why not, of course mama, I will pray because I took bath. And after that I began to pray to God. But when I was praying God, I remembered that I should take the worship plate, and I took worship plate. Have been taken worship plate, I began to pray. But when I was praying God, suddenly I remembered that I should go to the open field for walking, and I went to open field. But when I went to open field, I remembered that today I took bath, but I didn't brush my teeth. On the contrary, I came back my home, and I thought, first of all I should brush my teeth, and I began to brush my teeth. But when I was brushing my teeth, I thought, oh God, what to do, whom to call, where to go, where is my toothpaste? And I began to find my toothpaste. Yet I told to my mom. My mom came in front of me, and she asked me, what happened? Why did you call me? Then I asked to her that, mom, have you seen my toothpaste? Then she replied, oh, of course, it is here, guys. Can't you look it? Then I told, oh mom, it was my mistake, and I thought now I should go to the basin. And I went in front of the basin, and I began to brush my teeth. Within brushing my teeth, I was looking mirror, and I was thinking that I cleaned my teeth. Then after I became very fresh myself, and I was thinking that now I should come out from my bathroom. And I went out from a bathroom. Then after I thought, oh God, what to do, where to go right now. And I took my bag, and having taken my bag, I began to go to this college. But when I was going to college, while walking on the road, I remembered one thing, that today I forgot to bring my bicycle. And once again I go back my home, and I thought that now how to bring my bicycle. And after that I took my bicycle, and having taken my bicycle, I began to go to the college. But when I was going to college, on the way I remembered that having gone to college, I will wish my all friends, and having reached the college, I wanted to wish my all friends. But when I was wishing my all friends, as well as my teachers, I fall down. And when I fall down, I became very shy myself, and I ashamed. Then I thought, oh God, what to do, whom to call, where to go. And my old sir came in front of me, and he and they began to they began to tell me that you have no moral sense to how to walk in a open field. Then I told that actually it was my mistake, so I fall down. And after that, after arising there, I told to my all friends, as well as my teachers, thank you very much for pushing me a very big help. Then they became so happy, and they told that you are a good boy, so we have done that works. And after that I was praying in the school. But when I was praying in the school, suddenly I remember that today, without wearing my shoe, I entered the school. Yet I thought, oh God, what to do, whom to call, where to go, how to bring my shoe. And just then I called my mom. My mom uh, provided me my shoe, and after that my friend gave me shoe. Then after I wore it. But even then I was thinking myself that today I am feeling very excited, and right now today I will take my class very well, and I was attending my class very properly as well as sincerely. Then I remembered one thing, that now I should do something special for my friends. And what will be special for my friends? Yet while thinking, I thought that why not today we should play in the open field. And we left our classes, and having left our classes, all my friends of my all my friends, as well as you can say that all my schoolmates, we reached in an open field, and we began to pray. And after praying, we began to play football. But when I was playing football with my friends, principal sir looked out me, and he told me that it is your fault. Why did you Why did you take my all students in the open field? Then I told that actually, sir, today is a Merry Christmas, so we need a good and big holiday today. And after that, sir also became very happy, and we played football approx 1 and 2 hour. Then after, we tired, and we thought, oh God, what to do, whom to call, where to go right now. And then after, I remember that I should go back my home. But when I was going back my home, principal sir called me. But when I went in front of the principal sir, he told me that actually you are the one of the great student of this school. So why are you doing this rubbish works? Then I told to my sir, actually sir, it was not rubbish works. I wanted to play, sir. That's why I told to my old friends. They also wished that we are also interested to play football. Then I told to my friends, so let's play football today, and we played football. So sir, it was not my fault, sir. It was fault of my hobby, sir. Then he became very happy, as well as he told me that okay, why not, of course, sure, you go back to your home. And I came back my home. But when I was coming back my home, while coming on the way, I saw two pretty girls. They were disputing each other. Then I thought, oh God, what to do, whom to call, where to go, how to control their disputes. And I went in front of them, and I told to them that, hey guys, why are you disputing to each other? Then they replied me, actually, I am telling to my friends that I am more beautiful than you. Then she is telling me that I am most beautiful than you. Then they were very confused. And yet I thought that actually you don't know that what is the biggest point in front of you. And I told to them that both of you are most beautiful. Then they became very happy, and they went out from there, and I go back my home. And after going back my home, I thought, oh God, what to do, whom to call, where to go. Suddenly I remembered one thing, that guys, actually what did I provide you? It was just your diary. So I have mentioned some kinds of ideas in front of you, that how to diary should be very clarify, how your diary can be very beautiful. So you'll try to decorate diary as well as possible. You'll try to achieve this, that you should provide, you should give you should mention some kinds of things, whatever you need in the diary. That will be, you will try to give up your diary in the basic past participle sentences. While you are using the past participle sentences, I think it will be very fantastic diary, and that's why you will try to included all the sentences into the past participles. I hope that you will do that, and you will deliberate your diary very well. So guys, actually I will meet you in the classroom. So guys, have a nice day today. Okay, bye, take care, see ya.